Hey Annette, this is Mary Jane Clark. I've taken a look at your resume and I got the following comments. First page looks great. No, nothing different on the first page. You used the correct. Your verbiage is real good. You use the action verbs. Education's first. The organization is really good. Good presentation. Um, then let's go to the second page. Okay, on this page, the top half is fine. The thing I would change is in your work history. I would take out staff, senate, vice president, president, past president. I understand that was a job, you got paid for it, but I wouldn't put that in work history. I'd put that over in your committees or leadership. And I would take out everything. I was told that you should only keep 10 years of experience on your resume. So anything past 2000 or older than 2000 or 2001, I would stop at Secretary of Green Memorial Hospital, and I would get rid of everything below that. I might get rid of direct selling consultant for Mary Kay, and possibly keep the Secretary of Coastal Carolina College, even though that's older. Since you are in higher education, that still applies, so you may want to keep that. But I would get rid of the other ones and only have 10 years work experience on there. And on page 3, on this page, resumes, they want you to keep resumes to 1 to 2 pages. What I would do on page 3 is I wouldn't get rid of it. I'd combine all the staff senate into one. I would have a line that said staff senate 2006 to present. The second line that could say served as senator and chairman on various committees or something to that effect. I would include the Sinclair Leadership Council, and I would definitely include your Piece of Excellence Award, because that's fantastic. Congratulations on getting that. But I would make this much smaller so that you can fit everything onto 2 pages. Other than that, the way you worded everything is excellent, and I really like the layout. So I wouldn't change that, but I would try to get it down to 2 pages. I gave you a total score of 11. I had to count it up. The only thing I took off was presentation format, and that's basically because it's 3 pages instead of 2. Other than that, I thought it was excellent. Good luck.